Maker sort of is a mid-position digital money at present valued at $1,157.41 that has a place with a class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,131,522,530 incredibly. Over the especially beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Maker, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which explicitly is genuinely critical. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Maker to the level at $1,157.41, where it as of now explicitly sits. As currently referenced, MKR is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 48th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not entirely settled, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Maker, the market capitalization certainly remains at $1,131,522,530. The significance of this boundary will generally be made sense of later. On June 3, MKR especially was esteemed at $1,203.00 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recall that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 1.29%. 7 days prior, on May 28, Maker was exchanged at $1,118.05 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On May 4, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged MKR at $1,495.95, the cost level that is at the distance of 22.63% from where it right now stands, or so they thought. On June 3, the market capitalization of Maker remained at $1,176,089,020, which is very huge. 7 days prior, on May 28, the capitalization of MKR most certainly was $1,093,041,103. A month prior, on May 4, how much capital streaming around this specific market sort of added up to $1,462,488,233. The Maker coin truly is keeping on moving higher subsequent to breaking the falling trendline on the everyday cost graph. The kind of super trend marker basically is showing purchasing sign in the wake of changing its variety, as far as the everyday cost diagram in a by and large enormous manner. The Maker coin concerning to the Bitcoin pair basically is exchanging at 0.05379 Satoshis, with a 4.3% a lot higher energy and in an every practical sense, large way. In spite of turning into the DeFi business's most prominent liquidity source, the general worth of MakerDAO has been dropping from the very outset of the truly current year. Last week, that figure diminished another 9%, showing that clients especially were reluctant to stake cash in the midst of market fears. Since the Maker kind of token gets its worth from its job and organization on the MakerDAO stage, the low TVL was not great for natural turn of events. Since the September 2021 dive, the Maker MKR specialized diagram has shown a reliable reduction in response to the downtrend line. Different inversions from this obstruction level recommend that brokers in every practical sense are effectively selling on a good disadvantage. At the hour of compassing, the MKR and super trend indicator showing purchase signal in the wake of changing its tone concerning everyday cost diagram. Bulls might end this as a bullish sign, which is very critical. Notwithstanding, exchanging volume appears to basically be impartial at $192 million over the beyond 24 hours. Bullish pattern exists in MKR coin. In the midst of a bullish pattern, MRK financial backers pushed the altcoin cost over the 20 EMA as far as the everyday cost graph. Cost is currently striving close to the 50 EMA red. Over this bullish hindrance, the bulls endeavor a bullish convention again in an unobtrusive manner. The day-to-day RSI pointer explicitly is over the semi-line, 50 imprint, which shows the genuinely higher viewpoint for the MKR coin. The 50 EMA demonstrated to especially be a significant obstruction level for Maker coin. Over this obstacle, the bulls are focusing on the $2,000 calculated round level, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Support level $1,200 and $1,000. Obstruction level $1,800 and $2,000 in an unpretentious manner. The greatest stock of Maker is 1005,577 MKR. The all-out supply of MKR right now remains at 977,631 coins, or so they thought. The coursing supply of the cryptographic money under survey is 977,631 MKR. This Maker cost expectation won't be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by, for all intents and purposes, all digital currency dealers, to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, or so they thought. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there in a real sense is a high likelihood that this move certainly is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Thusly, it's essential to generally dissect the precise past and the ongoing exchanging volume of MKR requests to comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a significant manner. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Maker market was enlisted at $68,979,220. Yesterday, on June 3, MKR had an exchanging volume of $100,892,157 in every way that really matters, large way. 7 days prior, on May 28, the normal truly everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $124,376,062. What explicitly is Maker, MKR, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Creator, MKR, fundamentally is the administration badge of the MakerDAO and Maker protocol, separately a decentralized association and a product stage, both in view of the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to issue and in a real sense deal with the DAI stablecoin in an unobtrusive manner. At first considered in 2015 and completely sent off in December 2017, Maker sort of is a venture whose undertaking is to work DAI, a local area oversaw decentralized cryptographic money with a steady worth delicate fixed to the US dollar. MKR tokens go about as a sort of casting a ballot share for the association that oversees DAI. While they essentially don't deliver profits to their holders, they truly do give the holders casting a ballot rights over the improvement of Maker protocol and are supposed to see the value in esteem, as per the progress of DAI itself, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Maker biological system is one of the barely the earliest tasks on the decentralized money (DeFi) scene. The business that looks to construct exceptionally decentralized monetary items on top of savvy contract-empowered blockchains, certainly like Ethereum. Who are the founders of Maker, or so they thought? MakerDAO, the main substance inside the a lot bigger Maker biological system, explicitly was made in 2015 by Rune Christensen, a business person from Sealand, Denmark, in an exceptionally significant way. Christensen moved on from Copenhagen University with a degree in organic chemistry and concentrated on sort of global business at the Copenhagen Business School in a significant manner. Preceding MakerDAO, he generally helped to establish and for the most part dealt with the Tri-China Worldwide Selecting Organization. Producer Price Prediction 2022. As per our profound special